I'm just about to reveal a brand new way that you can make money with e-commerce using your Instagram account as the main source of traffic, so let's get started. Now, just to be clear, it doesn't matter if your Instagram has 0 followers or 10,000 followers. And so let's jump right into it. If you connect to Shopify.com and you search for TikTok e-commerce, these guys have actually put together a full-length article about using TikTok for e-commerce. And this is a brilliant strategy. Now let's break it down. This is what a lot of TikTok creators are doing right now to sell their products using the platform, and it is working wonders. But instead of talking about it, let me actually show it to you. If you connect to TikTok.com and you search for something like TikTok made me buy it, you're quickly gonna find thousands of different videos that are getting millions of views. Look at this one, 7.9 million views on this upload right here. And these are nothing but product reviews. 1.1 million on this one, 3.6 million, and the list goes on and on. So let me show you what's actually happening behind the scenes, because we are going to steal this concept and bring it over to Instagram. If you dive a little bit deeper, you're gonna notice that each and every single one of these accounts posting these product reviews is actually an e-commerce store. Look at this. I'm just gonna click on this TikTok profile and check their page. As you can see, they only have 500 followers, which is not a lot. But then their videos are getting thousands of views, and this one in particular has over 1.1 million. And as you might expect, this is an e-commerce store. They actually have their own website, and if you want to, you can purchase this product for $29. And this was just one example. Let's move on to the next one. I'm just gonna keep on scrolling here and find a different product. Look at this, 50,000 views for this video right here. And if we check their profile, once again, we can see that this is an e-commerce store. I'm just gonna copy that link and use it in a new tab. And just as expected, this is an actual online store where you can shop for that specific item. All of these TikTok pages are implementing the same exact strategy. They are generating organic traffic or paid traffic using TikTok, and then they are redirecting people to their e-commerce store so they can sell these products. Now, if I were to take a guess, I would say they are probably doing some sort of dropshipping, but that is not very relevant. It doesn't matter if you want to manufacture your own products or you want to do dropshipping, the process stays the same. And guys, look at this. The hashtag TikTok made me buy it actually made it to Shopify.com. That is because we literally have tens of thousands of e-commerce stores doing the same exact thing, following a very similar strategy, who are just engaging their community through TikTok and then selling their products through Shopify. But in my opinion, the market is starting to get a little bit oversaturated. Not only that, but there's more to it. If you manage to get a viral upload that gets millions of views organically, then you are all set. That's all you need. Just imagine uploading one video on your TikTok, getting millions of views and thousands of sales. You're gonna make a lot of money and you can start reinvesting that in paid ads. But otherwise, if you're just gonna get 300 views, 200 views, that is not enough. So you need to promote this content using TikTok ads. Now, there are a ton of different tutorials out there on YouTube about TikTok ads and launching a successful campaign, so I'm not gonna bore you with that. But the problem with TikTok ads is the fact that they are very picky when it comes to the ads they accept. And so not only is the market a little bit oversaturated right now, but you might even have TikTok deny your ads altogether. And for that reason, I would actually implement this exact same strategy on Instagram instead. And guys, everything stays the same. And it genuinely doesn't matter if you only have 50 followers or 100,000 followers. What you can do is start posting high quality content, product reviews, and then you can promote that content on Instagram. And here's how that works. Each and every single time you upload a new video, just below the post image, you will be able to see an option that says boost. Fill in your details of your ad by setting things like goal, what results you like from the ad, what kind of audience you want to target, and your budget and duration, and you're good to go. Moving forward, Instagram is going to show that specific video to your target audience, and if everything works according to plan, you will manage to sell that product countless times through your e-commerce store. The best part about this process is that you don't really need any special equipment. Just think about it for a second. Let's just say that we are doing dropshipping, right? Which is probably the easiest form of e-commerce. So let's say we are browsing through AliExpress to find our new product. And eventually you stumble upon an item that you really like, you think it's got some cool functionality, so you want to start using it. Well, here's how you do that. Let's just say that this right here is our winning product. The first thing you need to do is actually order one of these for yourself. Once you receive the product, you want to start using it and recording the process. You want to do as many product reviews as possible, and most significantly, The best part about this process is that you don't really need any special equipment. You want to model your competitors. Just find someone with a similar product on TikTok and literally model their videos, recreate them. Once you have enough of those, you want to start posting them on your Instagram account. And again, it doesn't matter if you have tens of thousands of followers or zero, because you're gonna boost that content anyway. So here's the best case scenario. You find a winning product on AliExpress, you set up your own e-commerce store using Shopify.com, and then you start recording these product reviews. If it does, and you generate a few sales, what you wanna do is take that profit and reinvest it back into the business in the form of advertising. You want to start boosting your IG content so you can reach out to even more people of your target audience, and that is how you can keep getting that compounding effect. Your ad is being shown to more and more people, you're getting that money and reinvesting it back into your content. That's how you're gonna create that snowball effect. And once you master this technique on one page, you can literally replicate that countless times for other products. You can find another winning product on AliExpress, build a different e-commerce store, or just use the same one, build a different IG page for it, and start posting content. Now, just to be clear, it doesn't matter if your Instagram has 0 followers or 10,000 followers. And the best part about these sort of videos is that they do not require any special equipment, and they're not very difficult to create. These are just regular videos taken with a mobile phone, no fancy equipment, no fancy cameras, and that's all you need. The video is effective, it does its job, and it gets people intrigued. Now, as you've just seen, most of the sellers that are doing this on TikTok also have an Instagram account. So you may want to take advantage of both platforms in order to really maximize your exposure. And that is a pretty good idea. At the end of the day, you just want to have as many leads as possible. You want as many people as possible to know about your product. So that is not a bad idea. You can leverage all of these social media platforms for that reason. I'm gonna leave that up to you. But again, people are making a fortune by promoting products on their TikTok and selling them through their e-commerce store on Shopify. Not only that, but Shopify has taken the time to create a dedicated article about this process, so you may want to look into that. This is literally a business model breakdown. A 13-minute read, but it's definitely worth it. Now, obviously, getting your first few sales is gonna be the most difficult and challenging part, but once you get the ball rolling, you can just take that profit, reinvest it back into promoting your videos, and you will see more and more sales each and every single day. Now guys, maybe this method is for you, maybe it isn't, but what I've come to realize is that you have to try out a lot of options before finding the one that actually does the trick. You need to find something that you actually enjoy doing, so you will not even feel like you are working. You're just doing something out of pleasure and getting paid at the same time, which makes the process even better. And on that note, what I want you to do is head over to my channel and take a look at the most recent uploads, and I'm pretty sure that you will find something that you like. And from that point on, it is just a matter of you taking action. So that's it for now, and thanks for watching.